How to set up WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can set up a good quality WhatsApp profile picture. So let's say you want to post an HD quality picture or as your profile picture on WhatsApp. So in order to do that, you just need to follow these steps. So first of all, open up a chat and where you can share a picture. So you may just use WhatsApp for that. After opening up your WhatsApp, you just need to simply tap on this icon here, and you just need to send a photo to that person in HD quality. That's it. This is the picture that I want to set up as my profile picture as a good quality. So in order to change it into a good quality, you may just simply select the picture. After that, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So you just need to tap on simply HD at the above and choose HD quality. After that, you can see that photo has been set to HD quality. So you may just tap on send. After sending it, this photo will be automatically saved on your device. So you may just simply go back to the chat, and after that just tap on three dots here and tap on settings. After tapping there, you just need to simply tap on your profile, and here tap on your camera icon here and tap on gallery. For that, simply choose the picture that we have saved from WhatsApp. So therefore, that's how you basically set a good quality photo on your WhatsApp profile picture. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.